Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up email outreach sequences with Instantly easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin setting up email outreach sequences with Instantly, start by logging into your Instantly account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Sequences tab, which can usually be found in the main navigation menu. Next, select the option to create a new sequence. Fill in the required details for your new sequence, such as the name and description. After that, choose the email template you want to use for your outreach. You can either select a pre-existing template or create a new one from scratch. If you're creating a new template, craft an engaging subject line that captures your audience's interest. In the body of the email, personalize the message by including the recipient's name and any other relevant information. Next, set up the follow-up emails by clicking on Add Follow-up. Here, you can specify the timing for each follow-up email based on. Remember to customize the follow-ups to keep the conversation engaging and relevant. Once your email content is ready, review it for any grammar or spelling errors. After that, configure the sending settings including the email account you'll use and the frequency of the send. You can select your preferred sending schedule to optimize engagement times. Before finalizing, preview your sequence to ensure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button to store your sequence. Finally, initiate your outreach by selecting the target audience for your sequence. Confirm the recipients and start the campaign by clicking on the Send button. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.